Hi Year 8, I'm here in the lab just for a couple of minutes this afternoon. I want to have a look at hydraulics and how hydraulics will work in machinery to change the pressure and to make a mechanical advantage. So it works on the principle that water or a liquid is incompressible. If I've got air in here and I put my finger over the top, I can compress air. Okay, because the particles have got more space and I can compress the air. Okay, if I do the same with a liquid, I can't, no matter how much pressure I put on the liquid, I can't compress it. And that is really, really important in the theory of hydraulics. So here I have got 2 syringes with 5 millimeters of a liquid. If I push one of them in, the other one, the liquid is transferred to the other side. It doesn't matter how long this tube is, all right, I can move one to the other. Now, what happens if I change the size of one of those syringes and make the syringe bigger? So here I've got 5 milliliters of fluid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off that syringe, small syringe, and I'm going to add a 10 ml syringe to it. Okay, what do you think is going to happen this time? I'll turn it round so you can see the volumes. Right, so I've got 5 ml of liquid in here and I've got a 10 ml syringe. What's going to happen? Put them side by side, all right, and watch what happens. Now, I'm sure most of you guessed that the 5 ml rises up the larger syringe by 5 ml. But did you notice it didn't go as far? And the surface area of the ends of the syringes are much bigger on the larger one. Now, let's send it back. And this time, we'll put an even bigger syringe on. Now, this is the principle that's used in car jacks, okay? I apply a relatively small amount of pressure on this side. And because the pressure stays the same in the liquid, the surface area of the larger syringe is bigger, it will push up with a much greater force. And I can lift something much heavier than I could just on my own.